Alright, so we're going to talk about Photoshop real quick. I'm going to show you guys where all the menus, submenus, the toolbox, and the palettes are. Alright, so right here on the very top, this is your main menu. So you have the file menu, you have the edit menu, the image menu, you have the layers menu, and on and on and on. Everything inside of the menu, if it has a triangle on the right hand side, those are submenus. So when I talk about menus, I'm talking about the main menu. When I refer to a submenu, for example, image, and we want to make an adjustment, we would go to the submenu to the right hand side. If it's grayed out, that means that it's not available. All right, so then you have the palettes. The palettes are these windows right here. I'm going to drag them out so you can see them better. These palettes right here are collapsible, and I've created this in this way so that I would have as much screen room as possible. Okay, I will show you guys how to dock, how to customize your workspace. This is canvas right here, and this is the toolbox. This is where all the tools that you're going to use in Photoshop can be found. Now you will notice that some of the tools have a little triangle on the bottom right hand side. That is because each one of these tools, if you right click on them, you will see that you have additional tools. So you have, for example, for the lasso, you have the lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and the magnetic lasso tool. And then on the right hand side, in the tools, you will see the shortcut, the letter L. Same thing for the menu. On the right hand side of every menu, you have a shortcut. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to talk about is the toolbox. And the main reason why is because I want you guys to notice one thing. Every time I select a tool, you will notice the bar below the menus changes. Okay, that is the tool, the specific tools options. So if I select the move tool, I get all those options. If I select the Marque tools, which is the elliptical and the square Marque, right? Also called the rectangular Marque, you will notice that the options change. When I select the lasso, the options change. When I select the magic wand, the options change. Same thing with the crop tool, the eyedropper, the spot healing brushes. So if you want to find out the name of a brush, what you do is you move your mouse on top of the icon and then you wait 2 seconds and it'll tell you move tool. It will give you the shortcut in parentheses. In this case, the elliptical Marque tool, the shortcut is M. So if I hit the letter M, it takes me for the Marque tool. Now, if I want to switch tools to go from the rectangular Marque tool to the elliptical Marque tool, what I have to do is hit Shift M, which is the shortcut for the rectangular Marque tool. And if I hit Shift M, it'll take me to the Marque tool. Now all these shortcuts can be changed. All right, another thing that I want to talk about, and it's something that it confuses a lot of people, is that the palette options on the right hand side, you will see the little icon with the 3 horizontal dashes. So if I click on the layers palette on the tab, then this option button is the options for the palette of the layers. If I click on the actions tools and I go to the right hand side and I click on the options of that palette, these are the options that I get for the actions palette. Make sure that you click on the tab first and then you go to the options. On the next video, we're going to learn how to create a new file from scratch, how to save the settings for a file, and we'll go over screen modes. See you soon.